Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is actually very useful, especially for freshers, because the opportunity in this video are from completely different domains. One is a huge finance company offering a technology role with around 10 LPA, and second one is a remote software development opportunity, and third one is a mysterious role. So you will get to know if you are watching till the end. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Bajaj Finance and they are hiring for the role of Trainee Technology. The location is Pune and the experience required for this role is 0 to 1 year. So freshers can apply. And this role is focused on technology development and software engineering fundamentals. Now what exactly will you do here? You will work with cross-functional teams to design and develop software applications. You will also participate in code reviews, improve code quality, troubleshoot technical issues, and contribute to building new technology solutions. So, this role is not only about writing code, they also want people who can think logically, solve problems, and collaborate properly inside teams. Now, coming to the skills, they mentioned programming languages like Java, Python, and C. Along with that, they are heavily focusing on data structures and algorithms, problem solving, computer science fundamentals, and analytical thinking. And honestly, this is something many product based companies are focusing on nowadays because frameworks can be learned later. But strong fundamentals help you grow in long term. So, if you are currently practicing DSA, coding questions, or Java and Python, then this role becomes a good opportunity. Another good thing is that both graduates and postgraduates are eligible. According to the recent salary estimates, technology trainees at Bajaj Finance can earn somewhere around 7 to 10 LPA depending on role and performance, which is honestly pretty solid for freshers. Now let's move on to the second opportunity. The company is Techify Technologies, but the actual company shown is Fujitsu. I'm not clear on this, but the logo shows Techify, and the salary range is around 3 to 5.5 LPA. That looks a bit fishy. So let's continue to the role. The role is software application developer, and it is mainly focused on backend development and software engineering support. Now, this role is more suitable for candidates who want to enter software development gradually and gain practical experience. Your responsibilities here include assisting in software design, development, testing, and maintenance. You will also collaborate with development teams and perform coding according to programming standards. So, overall, this role is more about building practical industry experience. Now, one important thing they mentioned is bond mandatory. So before applying, make sure to read the bond details carefully on the official application page. That's very important. Now, eligibility wise, any graduate can apply. Experience required is 0 to 1 year and the salary range is around 3 to 5 LPA. So this role can be a decent entry point for freshers trying to get remote opportunity in software development, especially if you're trying to enter backend development or software engineering slowly step by step. Now let's move to the third opportunity, and honestly, this is one very interesting for people who are interested in mobile apps plus AI together. The company is Swarnim and they are hiring for the role of Flutter developer intern. This is completely remote internship across India. Now what makes this opportunity different is that they are not just building regular mobile apps, they are working on AI first and accessibility first products, which means they are trying to build applications that are smarter and more inclusive for users. The company mentioned products like TAN, the Accessible Nation, and Swarnim AI. So the work here combines Flutter, mobile development, AI assistant, voice flows, LLM integration, and accessibility focused user experiences. Now, what exactly will you do here? You will build mobile app features using Flutter and Dart. You may also integrate AI assistant, APIs, payment systems, marketplace features, notification, and authentication systems. And honestly, this type of exposure builds very valuable because AI powered apps are growing very fast right now, and they also mention features like screen readers, scalable text, inclusive design, and usability improvements. Now, coming to the skills, they are mainly looking for Flutter and Dart knowledge, along with REST APIs, Firebase basics, app deployment understanding, and AI API exposure. They also mention blog state management and Gen AI interest. Another important thing is that they are directly encouraging candidates to share portfolio and GitHub links on the given email ID. So yeah guys, these were the three opportunities for today's video. And guys, if you want any opportunities in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you, and all the apply link are in the description box. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out next opportunities video. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.